Oh. I've got
Tell me when you're ready.
No, so I've got the, that's the one that goes with that.
Yeah. Oh, you tried to pair it to...
Yeah. Okay. Hey! Right, so we're on UTV stand. Martin and Ollie's here at the minute. Yeah, we're going to be honest, not the best spot we're in because, oh man, Martin, that's bright. So we're in a bit of a dead end here, so everyone walks along that bit. Not so many coming around here, but there's a bit of trade coming, but not as much as it should be. But, you know, other than that, fantastic looking stand, all the decent lights. I found some more lights on stand that I need on the fast track. Just got to be done, hasn't it? So yeah, we'll have another look at the stand in a bit, or a bit more of a detailed look at the stand in a bit. But yeah, as you can see, sort of like, you know, we're on a main through pit here. We've got Shelburne Reynolds, we've got Spreader Bow, and then like that's the main through fare through there. New Holland are up there, and then yeah, like tucked round the corner, UTV. So I really, next year or 2 years time, definitely going to be looking for a better spot, because you see everyone sort of looks down there. You can see it through the lights, but it's not ideal, is it? It's not ideal.
The difference with these is these will go into like your Merlots, the Agritons, the Gen 1, Gen 2 and Gen 3 Vultures.
Yep.
And then these are, so those will be like in your front of Genesis, some of the cat crawlers, some of...
They could be flush mount as well, so you could mount them on a box or something, couldn't you? Like,
yeah, exactly. So, and then it comes with the mount as well.
Yes.
These also do the high-level headlights in the TM, you know, the Vario TMSs.
Yes, yeah.
Like the 820, there's two in the middle, so they're your high-level headlights that will go into those.
And you got an option of white or amber DRLs.
Yeah, so it comes with a white and an amber DRL.
Yeah.
And then once we've finished the PCB of these, because these are obviously still prototype.
Yeah.
It'll have a dynamic indicator.
Ah, nice. Yeah.
And that'll be for all of these, every single
one of these.
Function, yeah.
So what are these ones here, Ben?
These are the 130mm, so these cover a lot of different products. So, So 6400 series Massey, 54, 8400s Masseys, some of the round series Deutz, 50 series John Deere, high-level headlights on a lot of the newer machines like the John Deere, New Holland.
They're smart, they are. So what have you got in these? Obviously a DRL headlight.
DRL.
Dipped.
Yeah, high and low beam, and then obviously it will have the...
Dynamic indicator.
The bar dynamic indicator.
Nice, yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of different machines that these will go into.
Like I was saying a little bit a while ago, there's you know, people want light output on lights. You know, that's just what some people want. But for me, it's about the style and the look of the light as well. So the fact that we're getting DRLs, dynamic indicators, and just to give it a sharper look is where it's going, I think.
Well, that's it. It's making something a little bit different.
Yeah.
You know,
personalising it.
And you don't have to use it. So if you don't want to, if you're a true fan and you don't want to have the DRL, and you don't want to have the dynamic indicator,
you don't have to.
It doesn't affect
no,
it.
You can have the dip beam and high beam.
And what we've gone for here is something that looks as unique and as OEM as possible, but with the ability to add these little functions in that just give it that little extra touch
for those that want it. Like
for those that want
it. Yeah.
And it also allows, or the look of it allows the diehards to put this into an old machine, and it still looks
still look old. So,
because what we do find, and it's really difficult to be able to do, and you know, the technology that we've been doing over the last 12 months, it's allowed us to then transpose this now into an OEM looking machine.
So
it looks more unique, especially for the older tractors.
Afternoon, yep. So you know the story with Ryetec. very similar to my little compact box, that is. That's with the half-ton weight. We've got an LT here, which is a simplified workbox. Not got as many angles on it, so it's a bit cheaper. Here we've got the main workbox with a big old diesel fuel tank in there. We've got the hose reel there. Still got plenty of storage in here, actually. Plenty of storage. Now, this is new, but it's not new. So, Ryetec acquired the Smartbox brand a couple of years ago now. Darren's going to take over camera duties. He's looking for something to do. So, Ryetec for the past sort of couple of years after taking over on it have kept it as a separate thing from Ryetec, but for Agritechnica they have now sort of added it to the Ryetec range. So it's available with the compact box, the workbox, and now this is in the same catalogue as the Ryetec equipment, rather than it being branded Smartbox. So it's the Ryetec Smartbox now, and to be fair, it goes in quite well with the workboxes, because not everyone wants a workbox. Some people just want a big square box with loads of space in it, which is what the Smartbox does best. And I do like the features on the Smartbox. So we've got obviously a voice socket on the top here, quite nice. The other thing I do like about the Smartbox, both the wings have a nice bit of storage in them. So you got your lock-in door there, very nicely done. Check the paint out as well. That is Blue Power, New Holland Blue Power colour. Very nice colour. So we open that down. That sits there horizontal again. So you've got another spot to do some, to disassemble something or work on something. And then you've got a nice little toolbox in there, load of drawers. Keep all your tools. It's very, very nicely done. Also got a nice little bumper bar around the front. You've got inbuilt work lights, side lights. I'm not going to be 100% sure whether they're probably indicators, but could be flashers. Yeah. Name plate on the front, whatever you want. Again, of course, whatever colour you want, they'll paint it that colour. And then round this side, exactly the same as the other. So you've got another drop down side, and a couple of shelves for storage or parts or whatever. We've actually got very nicely made Ryetec bottle openers.
That's the way.
Oh, so back to the front. Oh yes, so it is. And the sunglasses, of course. So yeah, very nice box. The other feature I do like about these, lid opens over vertical, so you've got lots of room in here to tools, fuel tank, whatever. You can also put a weight in here, concrete weight in here, to increase the weight to, again, don't quote me, probably about 2 ton. I think is your maximum weight. So very nice box. Now behind Darren, we got the 4 metre ALD. Now you've seen this on the channel before, obviously, because we had this on the FW at Normac. So this is the lovely little subsoiler leg there, 4 metre machine. So you've got the folding single leg either side, and this has got it's got a PTO throughput on the toolbar as well as obviously a different press wheel than we had at Normac. So we had the smooth press wheel with the teeth in. This has got a smooth press wheel with like a double D packet or double D ring on it. So good, nice, heavy press wheel that is. Get a lot of grip out of that as well. Yeah, so that is about it. Over there we've got a 6 metre restorer. Well, we had a 4 metre restorer when we demoed it for the on the FW really. Not the fast track wouldn't have handled it. But yeah, we had the 4 metre version of that. And last but not least, we've got a rapid move. So the interesting thing about these, obviously it's an implement mover, but with a lot of implement movers, to when you're moving trailers or drawbar implements that move by a drawbar, you can't see your drawbar fitting because it's all behind the frame here. Well, the rapid mover is a bit different. You take that pin out, swivel the drawbar around up into the vertical, and then you drop your carriage down horizontal like that. So then your drawbar point is sticking out the front and you can see it clearly to hook on to a machine. So that's a lovely little touch that just makes these stand out from the rest because you can see what you're hooking onto. So there we go. The best stand at Ryetec, the best stand at Agritechnica, Ryetec stand. Actually no, hold on. I better rephrase that. The second best stand at Agritechnica. Otherwise, Ben from UTV will kill me because obviously, yes, look at that. Obviously we've got, me and Darren. Let me take this a minute, Darren. Me and Darren, I've got to say a big thanks to UTV for
Sean and the rest of the team.
Yeah, rest of the team, because we would have come out here, but they've helped us come out here. Yeah. We've stayed with them. We actually come over with them. We actually happened to book the same flight as them, and they've been very gracious hosts. And it's been, it's always lovely to work with them. And the Ryetec crew, the thing I like about working with these two companies, both family owned and both very nice people and easy to work with. That's why we work with them. Talking to UTV, we'll go and finish up at the UTV stand and look at some lights. Now, we've seen loads and loads of lighting stands while we've been here. Some, to be fair, have been very good, and I've seen some quite interesting lights that I do like, but the overall impression I've got is that they're good quality, but they're not up to this spec. You can get poor quality lights, you can get medium range lights. These are the Rolls Royce of lights, which is why I use them. Excellent light output, very reliable, tend to be plug and play. They're not always plug and play because I'm not always doing plug and play stuff. Hence I'm putting sometimes extra sets of headlights on, like the fast track, that sort of thing. And obviously the fast track is now fully UTV'd up, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to get more lights, because I've seen as something I've really caught my eye that's new on stand that I think looks very, very modern. So it's these here. Now look at them. So right, you got a lovely sort of triangulated. Both sides are angled both ways, so it's a very modern look. Slim line. There you go. No, what have I got on mine? Hold on. Fine. There you go. So that's what the fast track has mainly got. The standard oval lights, which is what the fast track comes with. My series of fast track comes with oval lights. Good enough. And these are certainly very good quality, very excellent light output. 60 watts, 4800 lumens. And these are actually less lumens, because obviously you're dealing with less LEDs, 6 on them, 4 on these. But to be honest, the light output, even on these smaller units, is so good, I'm not too worried about losing the lumen output, because look at them. So you've got the red DRL at the back, which just looks super smart. I'm thinking 4 along the back of the cab there, to replace the ovals with these rectangular ones. They've also got the flash function as well, and there you go. Oh, Jesus, they are so bright, absolutely so bright. But I just love the design of them. And that's the other thing. You can get upgraded lights And you know, if you just want to get upgraded light output, you've got a big, you know, you can get anything like. But for me, I like the light to look good as well, and these are such a modern design that I think they'll really add to the design of the tractor. So I may even not obviously go with the red ones, but I might replace the front ones as well, just because I love that design. Just a fantastic design. Some other new products, we've got UTV, new Holland lights with halos. Very nice. LED work lights in there as well. There you go, there's an example. So that'd go on like the 6020, the one that's on the feeder wagon. The lights on that are just super poor, but they would be, you know, very, very good. We've got a 360 camera system here that we can have, and you can say we've got the light demonstration here, New Holland cab, wireless reversing camera systems. There you go, like that. So there's the split. Nice big monitor on that lot. Nice big, and a good quality camera. Yeah, good quality camera there. So other stuff we've got. Now around here, we've got loads more ovals. Now, these two here are new products. If I can get Darren over here. Darren?
Yes, sorry.
Let's have a look. So I'm just saying about these new products here. Now these are specific, well,
Case IH.
and McCormick.
Well, yes, yeah, they will fit.
They will be for
Early
McCormick. Yes, yeah.
They were basically a case.
So just run us through. That's
Case MX.
so that they will fit your one, the MX 150.
No, Case MX.
Oh, sorry, Case MX.
And McCormick MTX.
MTX.
Yeah, but they're the ones with the slightly sloped centre section.
Yeah, yeah.
These ones,
Much square. Oh,
much
well, squarer.
and they're on the tractor. They're much closer together.
Okay, yeah.
I believe these are MXU, so the newer style case.
The later ones.
The later one.
Yeah.
I believe, from what Ben said, and we think, they should fit the McCormick MC range.
Yeah.
So that's like the smaller one of what I've got, the MTX.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are new though. To
Yeah.
me.
So these ones will fit your.
My McCormick MTX
Yes,
and
yeah.
the MX.
Yes. Yeah. Always get confused because
So do I.
they're
It's
similar but very different, aren't they? Like, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're looking at these to upgrade your headlights on your
Hopefully.
tractor. Yes.
They upgrade mine.
Yep. They look smart with the halo.
Do look smart. Don't they, with the Halo.
Yeah.
But
Thank you very much. Oh, go on.
These are you obviously have said that's the DRL.
Yeah. Oh, of course. Yeah.
Then you've got the headlight,
Yep.
jet beam. Then you've got main beam in there.
Yep.
These aren't indicators. These are work lights.
There are work lights in there. Like,
Yes. Yeah. Same with these.
yeah.
Same thing. That's a work light, not an indicator.
So what are they on the original?
Work lights.
Oh, they are actually a work light. Okay.
Indicators are up on the cab.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Weirdly, they made them look like an indicator.
Yeah.
But they were never indicators. They were always work lights.
Yeah. But the important thing with these as well is they're road legal.
They are fully road legal.
Fully CE marked.
CE marked, E
Yeah.
marked, everything on the, they've been through testing and,
Yeah.
unlike
A lot of other lights.
majority of other ones.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, sir. So around here, so these ones here. Okay, so these were fitted into the Ryetec workbox. Now, obviously, when Ryetec come and fitted the lights, we've got the. Oh, there you go. So we've got the actual light there, just a standard light unit, but they hadn't got the DRL working around the outside. Well, now that light has come out, as you can see. So you've got two options: white DRL, orange DRL, and you can have a flash there as well. So I like the fact that I like a bit of orange. So I'm going to swap them out for the orange ones because I just love that orange DRL in there. Like, and if we just go, there you go, cut the light output, huge light output out of them. So I'm going to replace the ones in the front box with them. next year will look absolutely spot on.